Bonjour and welcome to a new French pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this French professional footballer who plays as a forward for Ligue 1 club Paris Saint-Germain. And the French national team also. He is considered as one of the best players in the world and also one of the highest paid. So, how do you pronounce his name? You will say Kylian Mbappé. Kylian Mbappé. You have an accent at the end, so you will pronounce E, Mbappé, and not Mbappé. Kylian Mbappé. Did you know that he is the second teenager to score in a World Cup final just after the King Pelé? Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos about football player, click just right there and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, salut, bonne journée.